Okay, let's make it. Whee! Wow, there it is.
Yeah, da-da! Woo! We're gonna go see the Ame. Oh, she took the boing-boings off. Should we make them? We should make them bigger.
Watching haters wonder why can't be no got game, half-tied thicky, all she wanna do is bang, girl.
I think they could have been a bit bigger. You know what this stream is turning into? It's turning into the equivalent of going through a magazine and writing on it with Sharpie, giving all the magazine models mustaches. And I'm okay with that. Yeah, it needs boing-boings. We need... What do we need? What material is that? Is it like... Is wool? White wool? Okay. I know where to get white wool. We need white wool. White wool. Ina has a wool machine? Let's go check out Ina then. Ina! Where'd you go? Huh? Uh-huh. Ah! Okay, wool machine. I mean, I'm not surprised Ina has a... Whoa! Oh, that's so cool. That is so cool. How do I take it? Oh, hi, Ina. Ina. I'll borrow some. I need dirt, because I need to be able to get up high. Maybe I should go steal some dirt. Dirt don't hurt. Char hardy har har shark. We're gonna go plot out the attack. I mean the art. What's the name of the painter that sat? Well, they painted the ceiling of that. What is it? Was it a church? Michelangelo? We're gonna be Michelangelo. Da Vinci? Hold on, I gotta flex my symmetry skills here. Where does this go down? Okay, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Yes? Wait, maybe this will look weird. Okay, we're gonna go in blind. On second thought, we're gonna go in blind, and then we're just gonna see how it looks from the outside, yeah? We're scaling a very large historical hololive-EN monument. Admire our work, everybody. Dum dum. Yes. Oh yes. It's too big. No, there's no such thing. There's no such thing. I gotta get one more look at these. Okay, one more look. We gotta get one more look. All in a day's work. Am I right?
Half-tied thicky, picky. All she wanna do is bang, girl.
Oh wait, I haven't seen the ame giant ame as well. Which way is it? Girl's farm is this way, right? Let's go see big ame. Oh, there it is. Yes. I removed the welcome sign from our base. I didn't think it was gonna be that big. Oh, here we go. Oh, that... That's great.
What, you guys want to see the statue? Why is it so long? I worked really hard on that. Bazookas. They're bazookas. I'll get her back for this. She'll pay for what she's done to my statue.
Half-tied picky. All she wanna do is bang, girl.
The arrows from PPP? Oh, cause it's done. Did I leave that there? What is this? It looks like my scaffolding, but no. What? Nani kore? She's not here watching us. She's probably sleeping. Okay, we'll go up this. She was here earlier? Damn it. Alright, I wanted to build something up here. Stay back. That's it. Hold on. I gotta fix something on there. Alright. Yeah, I got it. You were so hungry for iPhone.
Okay. For God's sake, here you go. Here you go, my dear Gula. Oh, here you go. I'm not letting her starve. She already has 2 apples, okay? I'm not letting her starve. She's normally
I'm reporting to the board of education.
Normally you should be eating humans anyway, shouldn't you?
No. If you go back in the people watching without intent to eat. People are our friends, not food. People are our friends, not food. Shark! Shark!
Okay, yes. Come on, help me, Gura. Help me out here. Sharks are so misunderstood, so we want God damn it. We want to raise awareness. Did you just say we want to swim in the water?
Yes, come into the water. It's nice. It's also our kitchen.
That is so far from what I wanted to say. Anyway, so yeah, no humans eating. No.
No.